Hi, my fellow classmates. Sorry for my appearance. I just got out the shower and it's late at night. And I'm trying to get this project over with before I forget it. So tonight I'm going to be showing you how to set up an iPhone. Here goes my device right here. The first thing you're going to do is you're going to push English. It's going to ask you the selection of languages. I'm going to put English. And then it's going to ask you select your country or region. And you're going to put the United States. And then it's going to ask you if you have a iPhone or iPad running ISO 11, bring it nearby to sign in automatically. If you want, you can also set this iPhone up manually. So we're going to set it up manually. But first we have to connect to a local network Wi-Fi in order to set up operate the phone. So I have home Wi-Fi, so I'm going to connect to my Wi-Fi real quick. I gotta get the code. So I just connected to my home Wi-Fi. Now I'm going to continue with my setup. It's going to take a few minutes for the iPhone to activate, for it to go to the screens to set it up. So we're just going to wait. So this will be the first screen that pops up. I'm just going to push continue. So then you're going to set up the Touch ID. That's the home button where you can use your fingerprints to unlock your phone. In this case, I'm going to use my thumbprint. This is my mother's phone, but when she's ready to use it, I'll take it off. So it says you gotta place whatever finger you would like to use as your fingerprint to unlock your phone. Most common finger is the thumb, so I'm going to use my right thumb. And then once you're done setting the fingerprint, it's going to push complete. The next step is you're going to create a passcode for your device. In this case, I will be using my mother's old password to her old phone. So here's how the setup goes. You're going to have 4 selections to pick from. I'm going to read them off to you. Restore from iCloud backup, restore from iTunes backup, set up as a new iPhone, move data from Android. In this case, the method I will be using is restore from iCloud backup. That means if you had a recent Apple device or Apple product, that if you remember your Apple ID and your your password, you will be able to reconnect with the apps you had recently or the pictures you had or the contacts. This is what I'll be using because my mother has a phone right now. She's going to back it up to this phone. But I'm going to tell you what the other ones mean. When it says, the ones that says set up as new iPhone, that means that it's going to show you how to make a new iCloud to use FaceTime, Apple Store to download apps, music, and whatever else you need. And then the last one says move data from Android. That if you have an Android, it will only port the numbers and the pictures. In this case, my mother has her stuff written down or her notebook, so I'm just gonna imply it into her Apple ID. So for this step, you're just gonna type in your Apple ID name you had for your recent Apple product. And then after you set up the Apple ID, you're going to put the password. I'm not trying to show you her thing, but it's going to put password. Here's another thing that you will notice. It's going to be a phone number you use for your recent Apple device. You're going to have to put a number. So this is the part where when you log in on a different account, they want to make sure that is you. So it's going to send you a code to the number you have placed in your Apple device as your trusted number. There's a thing called trusted number. So I'm gonna just send a code to my mother's phone. I'll be right back. Sorry, I had to get the code from my mother's phone. But next, this is going to tell you to accept the terms and the conditions. Just going to push agree. Then this is the next screen you will have. It's going to, this screen means that it's logging your email, logging your iCloud in your Apple Store so you can get all the apps you have from the recent. It might take a minute. We're just gonna wait. So this is what you might get if you have the phone in the area that you are trying to set it up. And this is the phone she had. This is the phone she has. In this case, we're transporting her 6 into her new phone. She had a 6. So what's going to say set it from your backup. You're just going to push continue. It's taking a minute for it to load. Sorry. So it's gonna ask you, did you want to set up an Apple Pay? We're just gonna set that up later. This is asking you, do you want to set up stuff before you use the phone? You should just push don't until you get into your until you get into the phone. So now it's restoring the iCloud. It's backing up your stuff you have from your recent. But after this step, it will take you to the regular iPhone home screen. Your apps and your music and your pictures and your contacts should be there. I'm going to end this video now because it's going to take a minute for this to load. I don't want to have this video too long. But thank you for this. That's going to be my presentation. Thank you.